Hello, this is my project one for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is our backend side, and this is what our frontend looks like. We're going to come back to our frontend once we're done explaining our backend. So we have, on our server side, we have different functions doing different tasks. One of the functions that we have on our backend is index. This function main job is to make sure that user exists, they have an account with us. That is the primary goal of this function. Second, we have signup function where user can create an account with us by providing all the required information on our side. And also on this sign up function, we want to make sure that we just allow per account. No, we just allow users to create an account with one email. We do not allow users to create multiple accounts with one email. This is another function, logout, where we just once the user is logged out from our side, we want to clear all the information about that user. The book function, we are doing all the search under 4 categories. First is ISBN, second is title, third is author, and the last and final is year, published year. The book list, this function's main goal is to provide users the total reviews on our side for a book, the average ratings on a particular book by our users, and also we are getting reviews from goodreads.com. So we're providing our users the total number of reviews and the average reviews on a particular book by our users, and also from this Goodreaders side. And the reviews function right here, if a user on our side wants to leave any comments, or if they want to give a good or bad ratings, they can do so. So once they do that, we are going to store that ratings and comments into user comment table on our database. This is our API. So you know, just like how we extract or requested data from goodreads.com, other provider also can request information from our side to their side. This and the final function is books. So this function's main goal is to read a file named books.csv from our folder, and then store that information into a data table on our data side. So so the books.csv contains 5,000 books, which was provided by the university. That is all for the back end, and this is our front end. So I have already signed up with a couple emails, so I'm going to use one of the accounts that I have created. So this is our login side. If the user wants to create an account, they can go here and they can provide all the required information. So let's log in with one of the users. So once they log in, they're going to take, we're going to take them into this searching area where they can search book by 4 category: ISBN, title, author, and year. So let's go with the year 2000. So if we get the exact number that exists in our database, we're going to give them exact book that they're looking for. If they give us some parcel name or some kind of information, we're gonna provide them with the masses and the matching pattern on our backend. So let's go to year 2000. So I have already commented and left some reviews on this book. So this is what it looks like once they click on that link. ISBN number, title, author, published year, and the average review by our users on this particular book, and also from a Goodreads review site. So we're getting total reviews and the average ratings from this Goodreads. So this is all the comments by our user. So this user have already commented at least 3 times. So we are not going to allow him to comment more on this particular book. So if he wants, he can comment on some of the books. Like let's go on this thing, getting it over. Looks like he already commented here too, more than 3 times, or at least 3 times. This guy is falling. So if they have not reached the max number of reviews on a book, we're going to allow them to comment on that particular book. So let's see, just for a demonstration purpose, let's give it let's give this book a 4 stars and say so we're just giving it a 4 stars, and for the comments, just writing this is a good book, please read it. So if you comment it, so it'll come up, and we will still have 2 more comments left on this particular book. So that's all for the project, and thank you.